recently I have started using some of new skincare products, and a few of them are made to my skincare favorites list. So yes, I want to share with you my favorite skincare products, and also I'll be sharing some skincare, body care and hair care empties, because I have like lots of empties to share with you. So I thought, why not make a new video on it. So yes, here I am with this new video. I'm Sapna, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare favorites plus my skincare, hair care and body care empties. So please keep watching this video till end. But if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell so that you will get notification for all of my videos. So let's get started. First of all, let's just talk about my favorite skincare products, and first of all, start with my favorite cleanser or face wash. As if you guys are following me from past few months, and also if you are following me from a very long time, then you must be know that my recent favorite cleanser is Dr. Sheth's brightening cleanser, and here it is. This is Dr. Sheth's brightening face cleanser, and this is my second bottle, and also ये भी खत्म होने वाली है. इसके बाद I have third one also for my backup. So yes, मेरा lockdown is like sorted, especially for face cleanser. So yes, this is my favorite cleanser, and this is so amazing. I've also shared it in my top 5 products which you can use for your acne prone skin, because this will be like really helpful if you have acne and skincare problem and lots of skincare concern, guys. So yes, this is my holy grail product, and I'm swear by this product. So you must try this once if you have oily and sensitive skin, and I think even dry skin people can also use this. So you must try this once and thank me later, because this is such an amazing product and affordable too. So this was my first skincare favorite, which is my favorite cleanser. So next it's time for toner. So for toner, recently there are like my 2 favorites. First one is a toner which is a green tea alcohol free toner. This is by Plum Goodness. As you can see, I have recently like started using this, so I'm like in love with this product. It removes all the dirt and gunk from your skin like really well, बहुत ही easily. बस सारा के सारा जो गंक होता है उसका सफाया कर देता है. So that's why I totally love this one. And yes, toner is like really important step in your skincare routine. It will help in shrinking your skin pores, and also जो भी dirt और gunk वगैरह है उसको remove करने के लिए भी. So that's why you really need a toner, and this is my favorite one. So this is the first toner which is my favorite, and second one is not a toner but a face mist. This is Glamorama Rose Gold Facial Mist. It has these gold particles also, as you can see. So yes, this is my favorite one. I also use it before my makeup, and also I use it after my makeup. So this is also my favorite, and I like to use it as a toner as well. So yes, this is the second toner of face mist, you can say, which is my favorite. So it's time for my favorite moisturizer. I think on my last video, one of my subscribers asked me for my favorite moisturizer. So I think कि मुझे इसके लिए एक separate video बनानी चाहिए. So that's why I combined 2 videos, and here it is. This is my favorite moisturizer. This is Plum Goodness Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. I swear by this moisturizer. This is so amazing, especially for oily skin people. If you have oily skin, you must try this. It absorbs into your skin like really well, and it doesn't feel or make your skin like greasy at all. Like if you have oily skin, you must try this moisturizer, because it will give you a mattifying effect, as it says, not feel you like greasy at all, and at the same time it is affordable too, not that expensive. So that's why this is my favorite, and currently this is empty. So as this is lockdown, I'm not able to get it. So currently I'm using the moisturizer from the brand Simple, and that one is not good at all according to me. मुझे तो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. So yes, this is my favorite moisturizer, which is the Plum one. And yes, next it's time for serum. For serum, currently this is my favorite. This is Cocoon Hydrating Night Serum. This is so amazing, guys. It will make your skin like glass type. I mean, I really love it. When you apply it, it feels like so soft on your skin, and it absorbs into your skin really well. Your skin will be like super soft when you apply it, and also it smells really good. So that's why I am like totally in love with this product. A bit expensive, not too much. I think it's for 599 rupees. So yes, this is my favorite serum currently, and also ये भी over होने वाला है. Yes, I need to get a new one, but this is my favorite and it's so amazing. And yes, next, which is an eye cream. So for eye cream, this is my favorite. I have started using it few months before, and this is Dr. Seth's Date and Quinoa eye cream. As you can see, I have finished half already. It will help in reducing that puffiness from your eyes, and also it will help in treating your dark circle as well. But you have to be holistic with the application of this product. So yes, this is my favorite one and I totally swear by this product. So next is my favorite face scrub. This is Glamorama's Milk and Turmeric face scrub. It feels so like thanda. It gives me like a cooling sensation when I apply it. Its granules and its texture is like so soft, so it will make your skin super soft when you use it. And this is my current favorite face scrub. Next, my favorite face pack. Actually, these are two. First one is this Sugandha Neem face pack, and this one is really amazing if you have acne prone skin. So that's why this is my favorite. It will be really helpful in reducing your pimples, acne. So that's why you must try this if you have acne problem, or even if you have sensitive and oily skin, then you must try this. And the second one is this from Himalayas Purifying Neem face pack, and this is also really amazing. This will make your skin super soft, and also it has a little bit like granules in it. It will make your skin oil free after using this. I have oily and acne prone skin. Currently my skin is like healed because of these amazing products which I have shared with you guys. You can try these if you have oily and acne prone skin. So next is my favorite lip balm, and my favorite lip balm, where it is, this is my favorite lip balm. Currently I'm using this. This is the Face Shop Lip Care Cream. This is so amazing. If you have dry chapped lips, you must try this. It will give your lips a nice moisturization, and also if you have like dry and chapped lips, it will be really helpful in reducing that as well. So this is my current favorite. And next, for my night cream, this is my favorite. This is the Face Shop Antioxidant Green Tea Cream, and this is how it looks like. I'm currently using it from past month. You need just a little bit amount and you can just apply it all over your face. It's really moisturizing. This one is really beneficial for oily skin. It has lots of antioxidants in it. Although it has a creamy texture, but it will not going to make your skin greasy at all, even if you have oily skin, and also it will not going to clog your pores. And I woke up like with a really nice and soft skin when I use this. So next is the spot corrector, which is my current favorite. This is Plum Goodness Spot Corrector. This one works so well, guys, because if you have like pimple on your face, then you can just apply it and leave it overnight. It will shrink that pimple and make that pimple dry. And also if you have a pussy pimple, then it will remove that pus from that pimple as well. It will take few days or even a week to remove that pimple and also the acne marks. So this was the last thing which is in my skincare favorites, and now it's time for empties. So first let's start with the skincare empties, and first is obviously this Dr. Seth's cleanser. This is my current favorite, and yes, you already know how much I love this product. So next skincare empty is this Zumizo Brightening Serum, and this is so amazing. It is so lightweight on skin, although it has this oily kind of texture, but yes, it will not going to clog your pores, and also it is really good for oily skin. It will make your skin so good, and also it will be really helpful in removing that pigmentation and spots as well. So it is a bit expensive, but you can try this. Next is again a face serum. This is Glamoroma Ka Bridal Glow Face Serum. It has like really thick texture. Firstly, you will feel it is a bit heavy on your skin, but yes, when you wake up in the morning, it will make your skin like so glowy and super soft. So that's why I really like this one. This one suits my oily skin, but every skin type is different, so you can try this. But it has like really strong fragrance, so if you can't tolerate strong fragrance, then you must avoid this serum. So next one is a face mist. This is Plum Goodness green tea face mist. This is really amazing and refreshing on skin. So if you're looking for a good face mist, then you must try this, again especially for oily skin. So next one is this lip balm. This is Nykaa Cereal Kesar Lip Balm. I've already shared it with you guys. This is empty, as you can see. This is my favorite. I totally love that. It smells amazing. It keeps my lips moisturized for a really long time. So I totally love this one. And next are these, like you can say, these are spot treatment. These are pimple cream by Himalaya. And I have finished, I think, almost 20 and 30 tubes of this, because my whole family use this Himalayas pimple cream. Have lots of pimples and acne. You can try this one. This is affordable too, and also it works so well on pimples. I totally swear by these. You can try this definitely if you're looking for a good spot treatment, guys. So next are my again favorite. These are night creams by the Plum Goodness. I have already finished 3 jars, I think. The third one I was not able to find, but here are these two empty green tea night clarity gel from Plum Goodness, and this is how it looks like. These are all empty and I totally love this. These are so lightweight and its texture is so amazing. If you have oily skin, you must try this, guys. Next one is from body care category. So this is Nivea's deodorant. As it says, it will work for 48 hours, but yes, it doesn't. But otherwise it's okay and good for daily use. As summers are here, you can give this one a try. Next is again a body care product. This is Palmolive Thermal Spa Mineral Massage wala jo bhi hai shower gel. So this is how it looks like, and I've finished this one. It smells really good, it lathers so well, so that's all I can say about this product. Also this one is affordable और काफ़ी decent quantity मिल जाती है. So if you are a shower gel person like me, you can try this. So next and last product from this video is this. These are like my hair care favorites, and these are empty now, sadly. So I will order these again soon from Nykaa. These are Herbal Essence Moroccan wali range se shampoo and conditioner. I have used these and these are so amazing. It will make your hair so smooth and shiny, and its conditioner is like really amazing. अगर आप shampoo नहीं इसका use करें, then you can use its conditioner. Its texture is so creamy and बहुत smooth and tangle free बना देता है आपके hair को. So you must try its conditioner especially. So yes, that's all about my skincare favorites and empties. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So do hit the like button, guys, if you like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.